While Kevin and I wait for Saoirse to arrive in the Mediterranean, we are taking advantage of being in close proximity to Vietnam. And in this episode, we are exploring the beautiful village of Sapa. Sapa is a mountain town in Vietnam's Lao Cai province. Known for its cool climate, terraced rice fields, and vibrant ethnic minority cultures. Originally developed by the French as a hill station, it has since become one of Vietnam's top tourism destinations, offering trekking routes, visits to traditional villages, and access to Mount Fansipan, the highest peak in the country. The temperature here is a little bit colder than what we've been used to. It's busy here. I mean, it's a touristy place, the center of Sapa. However, I think we'll be going to see some quieter places soon.
In a way, it has a kind of European town feel, I find. You know, we heard a church bell dinging, and there's stairs going up in the back alleyway. It's kind of like a little lake in town surrounded by the hills. If it wasn't for all the Vietnamese riding and scooters and honking, it would feel kind of European, I think.
The Vietnamese are dressed differently here. It's more of a, you're saying, almost like Mongolian feel. I mean, obviously the heavier clothing, but baskets and like headscarves and stuff. This restaurant has puppies. Hi. Oh my gosh. You're cute. You're so cute. Ooh la la. Thank you. And what is that?
Banh mi, which is like a Vietnamese sandwich. This one's
Sticking your fingers in there.
vegetarian banh mi.
Yes. Oh. Do we dare? Maybe I've taken enough steps.
You know, like the creaky.
It's very creaky. No, that makes me a little uneasy, even though someone just went across. Vietnamese wilderness. It's very floofy.
He's not saying much.
Hello. It's okay? He's okay? Thank you. We're rice paddy walking now. Turned into a beautiful day in Sapa, didn't it, Kevin?
Yeah. Beautiful view once you get out of the hustle and bustle of
The town. These guys are just everywhere.
carrying a rock downhill.
Just carrying a huge rock. It's so pretty. People are working hard here. It's all, as far as we can tell, manual labor.
We're planting.
Yeah, they are planting big time. Here's the gondola ride that we are hoping to take tomorrow to Fansipan, which is obscured there. Hello, family. Hello. Xin chào.
It's quite the tree she's carrying.
Yeah, lady's impressive.
Nice valley though.
We tried to go to Cat from here just to get back up to Sapa, but there's a toll There's a ticket man on the road.
Pay the toll.
Can't get through. Had to go back. So we're actually going beyond where we came out, or onto this road, and we'll try and loop the other direction instead. We're farming corn too. No. No. Please go away.
You have flowers on your shirt.
I do have flowers on my shirt. We were way over there earlier. Now we're going up and up and up. Probably used to people walking by. He's a mallard. It's a bit of a steep walk right now. We're working hard. Fansipan Mountain. Temples.
It's clear.
It is clear currently.
Cloud is lifted. So Fansipan Mountain is supposed to be the highest peak, I think, in Indochina.
Starting to see it up there a little bit.
Fully engulfed.
Cool.
Oh, we're lucky today.
Time for some stairs. Intricate. I like the Buddha. On the other side. So much to see.
But I didn't eat. I put on like a kind of a long john thing. I expected it to be colder up here because people reviews, but it's not cold.
No,
It's warm actually.
it is nice out.
Stalling.
I need to catch my breath. Large brass Buddha.
Sitting in a lotus.
Ah oui. In the impression, Buddhism always includes stairs.
Changes.
No, the clouds are changing. Gotta hurry. Oh man.
It's not only the image, but the smell. Smell the
The
incense.
incense, the wood.
Stone.
The fresh mountain air. This is spectacular.
Tempted to run in there and take my long johns off.
No, these are the last stairs and then we're at the top.
There's a lot of them though.
You'll be alright. I'm being reminded of Rinjani a little bit. The air is getting a little thin up here. I feel like I'm susceptible to
You won't have altitude sickness yet.
it's called altitude sickness.
to be the valley where we're staying there in Sapa is full of cloud.
Full.
But the other side is open.
Yeah.
So maybe the sun will help burn it off a little bit.
Maybe.
That's fine.
We're here. Look, there's one behind us too. Summit.
Many summit peaks.
That's the summit. That's the peakiest summit.
Beautiful spot.
It is really beautiful.
And this is before it gets busy.
Yeah,
So
it's early morning right now. I think the flag ceremony is happening right now. Here we are, Fansipan, top of Indochina. Okay, going back down. Sounds like Okugama? Princess Mononoke? Let's see if we can get into this building. It's like the shape of a man. Anyway, it doesn't matter.
Rỡ trên rừng hoàng liên với nhiều sắc màu khác nhau, đỏ, trắng, hồng, vàng, chất.
Just little oranges. What? Are they kumquats?
we ate the bananas. Could have voted for scale.
Bananas for scale.
As they do weddings as the beginning of a new life and family, contributing to the development of the
I've been
love
wanting to try one of these sweet potatoes.
to visit
Just got one.
partake in the Red Sound
How is it?
Festival in Sapa.
Tastes like a sweet potato?
Simple. It's good.
Yeah? Yeah. Oh.
Có sự chênh lệch về độ cao, nhiệt độ tại ga Fansipan sẽ thấp hơn hiện tại. Trên
Hello.
đường đến đỉnh Fansipan có gió lớn và không khí loãng. Quý khách lưu ý mặc thêm đồ ấm, mang theo khăn quàng và găng tay.
This is our lunch stop.